Hello guys, welcome to DOFA Bike. This is 7. Are you looking for high-speed racing electric motorcycle models? You are at the right place. Today I will introduce the top 3 hot sale and popular models: the Dragon, RZ, and the Model V6. For this Dragon electric motorcycle, we have 5,000 watt, 8,000 watt and 10,000 watt versions on the EEC L3E. Today I bring you the 10,000 watt Dragon configuration introduction. The max speed is 150 km per hour. The exterior design is full of power, and the headlight is my favorite part. That's why we call it Dragon. 10,000 watt Dragon is equipped with 72 volt 160 Ah Li-ion battery, 150 km range per charge. Okay, the power is started, and we see this customization TFT display. This display is controlled with CAN communication protocol, which makes it more accurate on battery and speed information. The throttle and the buttons are reliable and easy to control, and the upgrade alloy has high strength and an adjustable angle to fit different riders' bodies. The front tire here is 110, 70 and 17 with double disc brake. Dragon 10,000 watt is equipped with a real nitrogen shock absorber. The alloy rail fork is developed by us to fit this strong Quanshun 10,000 watt hub motor. This powerful heart makes Dragon a 150 km per hour beast on the road. The rear tire is 160, 60, 17. What's more, to make it more reliable, Dragon 10,000 watt is equipped with an inverted front fork and ABS. Okay, do you like our Dragon? Leave your comment below. Dragon is already tested in global markets, so if you want to launch it in your market, contact DOFA Bike today. Don't forget to focus on us because we are going to test driving performance soon. This is the end of the video. You may also be interested in our other 2 top sale models. You can find the related links under the video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.